Hi all, welcome. I'm Harini from the Department of Physics, St. Joseph College for Women, Tirupur. Now I'm going to discuss about the solid state switching circuits. In this solid state switching circuit, we can see about the transistor monostable multivibrator. Definition of transistor monostable multivibrator is in which one transistor is always conducting and other one is non-conducting. Conducting means this is on state, non-conducting means this is off state. This is called monostable multivibrator. When one transistor is conducting, other is non-conducting. In the state, we can set this stable state. With the application of external pulse, the circuit will interchange the state. After certain time, the circuit will automatically switch back to the original state, stable state. Monostable multivibrator cannot generate square waves. Only external pulse will cause it to generate to the square waves. Circuit details. In the monostable multivibrator circuit carries 3 capacitors, 3 resistors, 2 NPN transistors. It consists of 2 transistors Q1 and Q2 with equal collector loads R1 equal to R4 to reserve and to cut off Q1 values VBB and R5 are used. VCC is called voltage capacitor and R2 forward bias Q2 and it is at saturation. The input pulse is given through C2 to obtain the square wave. Circuit details. Components needed. We need 4 resistors, 2 NPN transistor, 2 capacitor, 1 switch and 1 LED. Operation. In the shown circuit arrangement, Q1 is cut off and Q2 is at saturation. This is the stable state and it will continue until a triggering pulse is applied at C2. When pulse is applied to Q1, through C1 Q2 starts conducting and positive potential is at its collector. The positive potential at collector Q1 is coupled to the base of Q2 through capacitor C1. This decreases the forward bias on Q2 and decreases collector current. The increasing negative potential on the collector of Q2 is applied to the base of Q1 through R3. This increases the forward bias on Q1 and its collector current. With this, Q1 is quickly driven to saturation and Q2 cutoff circuit will come to the original state. The capacitor C1 discharge through the path R2 VCC Q1. As C1 discharge, it sends a voltage to base of Q2 to make it lens positive. This goes on until a point is reached when forward bias is re-established on Q2 and collector current starts to flow in Q2. The step-by-step event already explained occurred and Q2 is quickly driven to saturation and Q1 is cut off. This is the stable state for the circuit and it remains in the condition until another pulse causes the circuit to switch over the states. The output pulse for monostable multivibrator circuit is T equal to 0.69 C1 R2. Thank you.